How to fix distorted sound in AudioMass. First of all, open your audio file in AudioMass by either clicking on File and selecting Load from Computer or simply dragging and dropping your audio into the editor. Once your audio is loaded, listen carefully to identify the sections with distortion. Next, use the Equalizer tool to adjust the frequencies causing distortion. You can find this option under the Effects menu. Try lowering the gain on high frequency ranges if the sound is too harsh, or reduce the mid frequencies if the distortion is coming from vocal or instrument parts. This often cleans up the sound significantly. After that, you can apply a compressor effect to even out the volume levels, which helps reduce clipping that causes distortion. Adjust the threshold and ratio carefully. Too much compression can worsen the sound, so make subtle changes and listen to the result. If distortion persists, try reducing the overall gain by selecting the audio track and lowering the volume slightly. This prevents the peaks from clipping and causing distortion. Finally, once you are satisfied with the sound, go to File, then Export or Download to save your fixed audio file to your computer. And that's it. Now you know how to fix distorted sound in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.